But of course, we're going to go ahead and go into our weather forecast as we go into looking out here to McAllen. It's going to be in the mid 90s, 88 by 8 p.m., 82 by 11 p.m. But we are still going to see those feels like temps ranging between around 100 to 105 degrees. Here's a look right now from South Padre Island. This is showing from the beach park at Isla Blanca. You're able to see a lot of cloud cover as well as those isolated showers that are just well offshore. So as we look at the rest of our day, if you are along the coastal areas, just keep in mind to keep an eye on that radar because we are seeing some isolated showers that are just offshore. High temperatures in the mid 80s. However, for this weekend, we're still going to have fairly hot and humid conditions here across the valley. Highs in the low 90s. Getting up to about 99 to 100 degrees in some locations. But as we look at that high resolution radar, you're able to see those showers that are just wanting to move onshore, but they're a bit fizzling out there as they make their way closer towards land. There was an isolated storm just to the northeast of Raymondville there. But as we look at high resolution radar, expecting that cloud cover to still linger around as we head into the rest of this afternoon. Expect that rain chance to diminish in the overnight hours into the early tomorrow morning, but expecting those conditions just to remain a bit on the hot and humid side. We could see a flare up of an isolated stray shower or two make its way inland. However, other than that, we're just expecting those conditions just to remain a bit sweltering. The latest drought monitor was released yesterday. It is now showing moderate drought conditions that's completely encompassing the entire Rio Grande Valley. Of normally dry conditions for our coastal areas. So the lack of rainfall definitely causing some issues and increasing that drought for us here across the valley, even though we did receive some good much needed rain here in the Harlingen area there. But as we go into looking at future clouds and radar, we are expecting those temperatures to remain in the 90s and 100s. We're going to have that slight chance for isolated showers as we head into the afternoon, the hottest times of the day, at least through the weekend. So if you're heading to the beach, just want to keep an eye on the radar just so you make sure that you're not dealing with any type of lightning with those isolated flare-ups as we head into the next several days there. We have a bit more of an increased rain chance for Sunday, so some of us might get more of a bit of a rain as we head into Sunday and Monday there. But other than that, we're just going to remain mostly calm. The tropics are looking quiet as of now. No activity expected within the next 5 days. We are expecting that Saharan dust to continue moving across the Atlantic Ocean. That is going to inhibit any type of tropical formation, and it's actually going to cause more hazy conditions returning to the valley as we head into the next several days there. Of course, it's actually quite common for us to be fairly quiet here in the month of July in terms of hurricane season. Just know that the peaks of hurricane season is the end of August, mid-September there. As far as your 7-day forecast, expect those temps to remain hot and humid, highs in the upper 90s. Some areas actually from McAllen to Rio Grande City hitting about 100 degrees as we head into the weekend. And as we're going to go into looking at Sunday and Monday, expecting those temps to continue being rather hot and humid. Overnight lows in the 70s, getting up to 98 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday, but just remaining hot and humid with a slight chance of coastal showers as we head into the next several days. And we could see a bit more storm coverage as we head into Sunday and Monday there. But other than that, we are expecting those conditions just to remain fairly humid as we head into the next few days.